Hey guys, third day of wheat harvest 2017. About halfway done with 3,500 acres of wheat. Right now we're attempting to get 180,000 pounds of wheat for seed wheat next year. That's going in the bin, which, you know, we combine a lot of acres, but it seems like 180,000 pounds today is just damn near impossible. It feels like I've been out here for fucking ages. But yeah, this year we had quite a bit of drought, and the past couple of days it's been dry, but about a week before that, or the whole week before that, it was raining. So right now we're combining about 35, 37, you know, mid-20s. Fuck. And it's getting late, so my fucking sieves are wanting to plug up all the time. I gotta fucking crawl in there tomorrow morning and check that shit, because that shouldn't be plugging up like that. Granted, it's wet and humid and shit, but still though. Yeah, running about 13% moisture. Actually, I can give you the average. Instant dry.
I should put you damn close to 90, it looks like. Maybe about 85, 80. 104.
Woo! We made it.
Well, when we get to the end of this piece, we'll just come up to the trucks. Actually, we'll take these into the yard.
Whoa! Now we just gotta make it to the fucking yard and call it quits for the night. And I got down there at the end with half a tank, so hopefully...
So you guys will take the combines back to the yard?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't need to dump them again?
Probably need to dump them. Well, it'll be half.
Everybody gonna make it to the end?
I was half full on the way back, so I should only be half full on the way at the end.
I'll make it. Yeah, I'll make it as well. Then you can just stop there, Logan, and go out around these guys and go dump your cart on the truck.
So yeah, we got 4 combines rolling in.
104, or should I put the extra 10 on the straight truck, single trailer? Dump your 90 on that Peterbilt, whatever you had to do there, and yeah, fill up that other one, whatever you needed. We don't need any more of this stuff kept separate.
Woohoo! Anywho, so the instant moisture average is 13.29. We done a whopping 7 acres. Average dry bushels 30. Average wet 30. And what the fuck? No, instant bushel wet is roughly 30. So it's been a kind of shitty year. As you can see, this stuff's really short, and we're kind of combining it like we would beans, pretty much just damn near on the fucking ground. There's some spots where we can raise the head, but it's for a short amount of time, then we're right back on the ground. And usually we don't have to worry about changing or, you know, checking rock traps or changing sections or guards on these combine heads, but we're servicing them like we would for beans, because we're hitting fucking rocks. You're getting rocks and rock crap and shit. So hopefully next year is better, but honestly it's doing better than I thought, so for what it is. But it's been pretty pretty hot and muggy, and it's a pain in the ass to dry. Usually we don't start till about 11 o'clock in the morning. Well, we usually end up servicing the combines for a couple hours, and then usually by then we're ready to go. I'm just waiting for this goddamn head to plug up. You can kind of see that instead of an auger, it's a Draper head. It's just a belt on there that's runs it over. They're pretty prone about this time of night after the sun goes down to fucking start wrapping straw or whatever gets in there and plugging the fucker up. So I'm pretty much just waiting and bracing myself to shut the fucker off when it does that. Either that or it'll start pushing material out in front of it, especially when we're this low to the ground. And if we were combining it, it'd be about at least 6 inches of stubble, and we wouldn't have any of these goddamn problems except for the straw maybe wrapping on the fucking conveyor belt. But oh well, you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. I gotta clean out my sieves tomorrow and change a few broken sections and shit, but that's normal. It's very slow paced tonight because if I go any faster, my combine starts to get plugged full of shit, and I gotta sit and wait for it to run out, especially if I hit any green shit like weeds. I'm only going 2.5 miles an hour. That middle between the orange and green bars is supposed to be down in the green, and it's hovering up at the fucking full mark, which is not where you want it to be. You want it in the green, but you can't have it that way all the time. But I figure I'd make a video of wheat harvest if I, forget to make another one. So, chug along, go back to the yard, and I'll catch you guys later.